Alright, today I'm going to show you how to change out a toilet seat. Very easy process. This one here, the hinge broke and we need to replace out a new one. You can sometimes find replacement hinges. By the time you do that, for the cost, you can just buy a new toilet seat and have a brand new one almost. Tools you want to need today, just some handy wipes. Get everything clean. I've already cleaned this one off, but we'll do it again real quick. That's just for sanitary. Completely optional if it's your own bathroom. Keep everything nice and sanitary. Obviously the new one will be sanitary. Gloves for sanitary reasons if you have some, completely optional. And for this particular toilet seat that we bought, all we're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So the first task is to get the old one off. There's some little caps back here that pop open and expose the top part of the hinge system. So the first step, put the screwdriver in there. And underneath there's going to be a little washer. Usually you can turn it by hand. You might have to get a little wrench after it to get it loose, but most of the time you can turn it by hand. Comes off and looks something like that on this model. Then we'll do the other side. Pop the cap up. The first thing I like to do is just wipe it off. Oh, that one broke off. It's trash anyway. I just prefer to use a bunch of wipes versus gloves. I can't really work well in gloves personally. Sometimes you have to, but it's just easier to wipe it up. You can also, if you can reach under there and hold the washer in place, or the nut, sorry, the other way is just to unturn it like this with the screwdriver. There you have it, take the old one off. Whoa, there's why you have the wipes. During this process, I'll probably wash my hands several times. All right, so here we got the new one. Same parts. This particular model is called the Easy Change, or Easy Clean by Church. And you can see it has these little, the top part turns here. These don't pop off like the other ones. They turn. Let me try to get a close up of that. So it turns, the cap turns like this, it doesn't pop off. And you'll see you can do easy change on this for cleaning. So, set this aside right now. So open the bag, got the parts. Got 2 washers and 2 nuts. Try not to drop them in the toilet. If you do, you have to go in and get them. Now this particular model actually comes with you can use flathead or Phillips. I'm gonna go ahead and use a flathead for this. Some there, and the nut goes on the bottom. Once you get the nut started, you can just turn the screwdriver and hold the nut on the bottom, or you can turn the nut with your hand, whichever works best for you. And then finish it off finish with a screwdriver. Get nice and snug. It's plastic though, so don't over tighten it. Slide over here for you. It's tight up in here. Sorry, my back's to the camera, it's a little tight up in here. So for this model, this is the Easy Clean by Church. And you'll see this part here is going to pop onto the cap, or top of the bolt. And you have to turn this latch sideways here. Turn it like that to lock it, but you turn it sideways to take it on and off. And you take that and just push it down firmly, then turn those into place, and it's set. And now you're done. New toilet seat is installed. If you found this helpful, give me a like and a thumbs up down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions or comments below, leave those as well, and I'll answer them if I can. I appreciate you watching, and tune in for more.